Today I am reviewing the WINIX AM90 Air Purifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The WINIX AM90 Air Purifier is designed for people who want cleaner, fresher air in larger indoor spaces without constantly worrying about air quality or maintenance. From the moment you start using it, it becomes clear that this is not a basic air purifier. It is a smart, well-designed system built for continuous air cleaning and real-time monitoring. One of the most impressive aspects of the WINIX AM90 is its coverage area. It is AHAM verified for 360 square feet, but in practical performance, it can clean much larger spaces, up to around 1,740 square feet in 1 hour under optimal conditions. That means it can handle large living rooms, open-plan apartments, or even combined spaces like living and dining areas. The fact that it can refresh the air in smaller areas in just minutes makes it highly effective for everyday use. At the core of its performance is a True HEPA filtration system. This filter is capable of capturing 99.99% of airborne particles as small as 0.01 microns. In simple terms, that includes common indoor pollutants like dust, pollen, smoke, and pet dander. For people with allergies or sensitivities, this kind of filtration can make a noticeable difference in breathing comfort and overall air quality. The system also includes a washable fine mesh pre-filter. This acts as the first layer of defense, capturing larger particles like hair, lint, and dust before they reach the main filter. This not only helps keep the air purifier running efficiently, but also extends the life of the HEPA filter, reducing long-term maintenance costs. Another important component is the activated carbon filter. This is designed to reduce odors and volatile organic compounds, commonly known as VOCs. That means it can help with smells from cooking, pets, smoke, or general household odors. Over time, this contributes to a noticeably fresher indoor environment, especially in homes where odors tend to linger. One of the standout technologies in the WINIX AM90 is plasma wave air cleaning technology. This feature works alongside the filtration system to help break down airborne pollutants at a molecular level. It is designed to enhance overall air purification without producing harmful ozone levels when used properly. The smart functionality is another strong point of this device. It comes with built-in air quality sensors that continuously monitor the air in real time. These sensors feed data into an automatic mode system that adjusts the fan speed based on current air conditions. So if the air quality drops due to cooking, dust, or other pollutants, the purifier increases its power automatically. When the air is clean, it reduces fan speed to save energy and reduce noise. There is also a real-time air quality indicator on the front of the unit. This uses LED lights to visually show the current air condition in the room. It gives you an instant understanding of whether your air is clean, moderately polluted, or in need of stronger purification. This is especially useful because you don't have to guess what's happening. You can see it immediately. For users who prefer more control, the WINIX Smart app allows remote access and monitoring via Wi-Fi. This means you can adjust settings, check air quality, or turn the unit on and off even when you're not at home. This level of convenience makes it feel like a truly modern smart home device. Noise performance is another area where the AM90 does well. On lower speeds, it operates almost silently. This makes it suitable for bedrooms, offices, or any environment where quiet operation is important. Even at higher speeds, the sound remains consistent and not overly distracting compared to many traditional air purifiers. Maintenance is also straightforward. The filter replacement indicator light alerts you when it's time to change the filters, so you don't have to guess or manually check. This helps ensure that the purifier always operates at peak performance without user confusion. In everyday use, the WINIX AM90 provide a noticeable improvement in air freshness, especially in homes with pets, cooking odors, or dust buildup. Many users find that the air feels lighter and cleaner after running it for a while, particularly in enclosed rooms. Of course, like any air purifier, its effectiveness depends on proper placement, room size, and regular filter maintenance. It performs best when used consistently rather than occasionally, as continuous operation helps maintain stable air quality. Overall, the WINIX AM90 Air Purifier is a well-rounded, smart, and powerful solution for improving indoor air quality. With its combination of true HEPA filtration, activated carbon filtering, smart sensors, automatic adjustment, and wide coverage area, it delivers a strong and reliable performance for everyday home use. If you are looking for an air purifier that balances smart features, strong filtration, and ease of use, the WINIX AM90 is a solid and dependable choice for maintaining a cleaner and healthier indoor environment.